Imagine being thrown into the back of a police car and taken to jail without any explanation of your rights. It's a scary thought, but it's important to know what your rights are during an arrest and detention. In today's world, it's more important than ever to know your rights during an arrest and detention. Unfortunately, many people are unaware of what they are entitled to, and as a result, they can be taken advantage of by the legal system. In this video, we're going to take a deep dive into your rights as a citizen and give you the tools you need to protect yourself in the event of an arrest. The first thing you need to know is that you have the right to remain silent. This means that you don't have to answer any questions or make any statements that could incriminate yourself. Imagine being pulled over for a traffic violation and the officer starts asking you if you've been drinking. Instead of admitting to anything, you can simply exercise your right to remain silent, or you can say, "I plead the fifth." This is a fundamental right that is guaranteed to all citizens, and it's one that you should always exercise if you're ever arrested. You don't have to answer any questions from the police or anyone else, and you shouldn't. In fact, it's often in your best interest to say nothing at all. The second thing you need to know is that you have the right to an attorney. This means that if you're arrested, you have the right to have an attorney present during any questioning. Think about a scenario where you're being questioned about a crime you didn't commit. Having an attorney by your side can make all the difference in protecting your rights and proving your innocence. If you're arrested, you should ask for a lawyer right away. This is a right that is guaranteed to you under the Sixth Amendment of the United States Constitution, and it's one that you should always exercise. A good lawyer can help you navigate the legal system and protect your rights. The third thing you need to know is that you have the right to know the charges against you. This means that you have the right to know why you're being arrested and what specific charges are being brought against you. Imagine being taken into custody without any explanation as to why. Knowing your charges can help you better understand your situation and prepare your defense. You should be told what you're being arrested for, and you should be given a copy of the charges against you. This is a right that is guaranteed to you under the Fifth and Sixth Amendments of the United States Constitution. The fourth thing you need to know is that you have the right to a fair trial. This means that you have the right to a trial by a jury of your peers and to be considered innocent until proven guilty. Picture being denied a fair trial because of your race or socioeconomic status. This right ensures that everyone is given a fair shot at defending themselves in court. This is a fundamental right that is guaranteed to all citizens, and it's one that you should always exercise. You should be given a fair trial with a jury of your peers, and you should have the opportunity to present your side of the story. The fifth thing you need to know is that you have the right to be free from cruel and unusual punishment. This means that you cannot be subjected to excessive or inhumane treatment while in custody. Imagine being physically abused or denied basic necessities while in custody. This right ensures that you're treated humanely while in custody. This is a right that is guaranteed to all citizens under the Eighth Amendment of the United States Constitution, and it's one that you should always exercise. You should never be subjected to cruel and unusual punishment, and you should always report it if you are. In conclusion, it's important to know your rights during an arrest and detention. These rights are fundamental to our democracy and ensure that you are treated fairly. Knowing your rights can help you navigate the legal system and protect yourself. Remember, always stay silent, ask for a lawyer, know the charges against you, demand a fair trial, and never accept cruel and unusual punishment. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video with others so that they can learn about their rights too.